to our English class of grade 4. From grade 4, today we are going to discuss from unit 4. Under unit 4, what we are going to discuss? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. Today we are going to discuss about who? Brave woman. Yes. So we are going to discuss from unit 4. Especially we are going to deal with reading today. Before reading, I want to show you some pictures and we will discuss on the pictures. Okay. So now look at the picture here first. Look, listen and do. You don't have to do anything here. You just have to tell me. Okay. You just have to tell me. I'll ask you, then you have to tell me. Okay. Let's see here. Look at the picture. Have you seen the woman? Yes. Now read it. Look at the picture and say who she is and what great deed she did. Did. Great deed. Did means job. Yes. So look at the pictures. If you have seen the woman, you can easily say. If you have not seen the woman too, I'll play you audio. Then listen to the audio, know about her, and we will discuss on it. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to play you the audio. Listen very carefully and try to find out who she is and what great deed she did. Okay? Now listen. It is the turn of listening. Mother Teresa was born in Macedonia. She helped poor people for a long time. She was a teacher in a school. She taught for 20 years. She saw many poor people in the streets. They were poor, sick and dying. She helped them. In 1948, she left the school. Okay. Did you listen to the audio? Yes. Then, what did you find there in the audio? It is about the woman in the picture. Look at the picture. What is her name? Did you find? What is her name? Did you listen there? Yes. Her name is Mother Teresa. Yes. And how is she known as great woman or brave woman? How can we say that she is great woman? She had done very good activities. How can you say? Yes. She helped. You listen that? She helped many poor people. They were dying. Yes. So she did very courageous and brave activity to save the people, to help the people. So she is known as brave woman or great woman. Yes. Okay. Let's go to next one. I'll show you the picture. Have you seen the woman? Have you ever seen? I think you have seen and you have heard about the woman. Yes? Who is she? Can you name? Can you name please? Okay. Who is she? She is Pasang Lambu Sherpa. Yes, she is. Then how do you know her? How do you know her? Yes, you know that she is the first Nepali woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes? So she is well known to all. We know her very well because of her great deed. Yes? So, today what we are going to do? What we are going to read? Can you tell me? Yes, of course. Today we are going to read about Pasang Lambu Sherpa. Yes? You know that she is the great woman because of her brave activity, because of her courageous activity. Yes? we are going to read about her today. Now look here, look at the picture and say who she is and what grade did she did. In previous listening, we listened about Mother Teresa and her great deed. Here we are dealing with Pasang Lamu Sherpa, and she also has done great deed. So she is the Nepali woman, she is the first Nepali woman to climb Mount Everest, which is the highest peak. Yes? So let's go to next one. It is about Pasang Lamu Sherpa. I am going to teach you. We are going to discuss on it. Before discussing, you just have to read the first paragraph of the passage. Okay? First paragraph about Pasang Lamu Sherpa. It is reading time for you. After reading, you have to answer here. There is question, which is the tallest mountain in Europe? You just have to tell the answer after reading the paragraph, after reading the text. Okay? You don't have to tell answer now. First of all, read the paragraph very carefully and we will have discussion on it. Okay? So read it please. If you have book, you can read from your book too. Okay? Okay. Have you completed reading? Very good job. I'll read. Okay? Listen to me and read along with me. You can read by looking at your book. If you don't have book, you can look here and read. Okay? I'll read one by one. Okay? Pasang Lamu Sherpa was born in 2017 BS in Solukhumbu district. She was born in 2017 BS. Yes? And she was born in Solukhumbu district. Have you heard the name of Solukhumbu district? Yes, Solukhumbu district. And what is special about Solukhumbu district? Can you tell me? Where is the tallest mountain or where is Mountain Everest? It is in Solukhumbu district. Yes, she was born in Solukhumbu district. Yes, who? Pasang Lamu Sherpa. Look here, next sentence. Her father's name is Phurba Kitar Sherpa. Her mother's name is Angdaki Sherpa. Her father's name is, what is her father's name? Phurba Kitar Sherpa, and mother's name is Angdaki Sherpa. Yes, they are her parents. Phurba Kitar Sherpa and Angdaki Sherpa are her parents. Yes? Okay, let's do next sentence. Okay? Pasang was brave girl. Brave. Pasang was brave girl. I want to show you some words. Okay? I have brought some words for you. If you feel difficult, if you feel new, you can look at the words and read the meanings. Okay? Do you want to see the words and their meanings? Okay, let's see. First of all, let's see here. We found here the word. Look here, the word. What did you find? Brave. Yes. What is the meaning of brave? Can you tell me? Yes. Brave means courageous. Yes. Brave means courageous. Okay. Okay. Did you get the word brave? Look here. Pasang was brave girl. What type of girl was Pasang? She was brave. Brave means here, what did you find? Brave means courageous, bold. Yes, bold, brave. She didn't have any types of hesitation to do her work. She was brave one. She was bold one. Yes. Okay. She was a brave girl. Her father was also a mountaineer. Do you know the word mountaineer? Yes. Mountaineer means, look here. Mountaineer means, have you read the word mountaineer? From mountain, it is mountaineer, yes? Mountaineer means, here you can see, mountaineer means, what is the meaning of mountaineer? Yes, mountaineer means a person who climbs mountain. You saw the word mountain here. There is word mountain also in the book, and mountaineer means the person who climbs mountain. Yes, who climbs mountain is mountaineer. Yes, okay. Look here, her father was also a mountaineer. Mountaineer means person who climbs mountain. It means Pasang's father was mountaineer. Yes, he used to climb mountain. Okay, Pasang wanted to be a mountaineer too. Because her father was mountaineer, she also loved to be the mountaineer. Yes, she also wanted to climb the mountain and be mountaineer. Yes, her aim was to be, what was her aim? Yes, her aim was to be a mountaineer like her father. Yes, okay. Let's go to next one. Let's read it. Okay. Then possible you read. I'll provide you some time to read it. Read the second paragraph. Then I'll read it again. Okay. It is your time to read. Okay. Have you completed reading? Yes. If you have found any new words there, you can underline and ask me. You can underline and we'll discuss these words later. Okay? So, let's read from here. I'll read again. I'll read line by line. You also try to read along with me. Okay? Okay. In 1989, she climbed Pisangchule mountain. Yes, as she wanted to be a mountaineer, from her early age, she started to climb the mountain. Yes, she climbed Pisangchule mountain in 1989. Yes, because she wanted to be the mountaineer. Yes, which mountain did she climb in 1989? Yes, she climbed Pisangchule mountain. Yes, okay, let's read next one. It is 6,091 meters high. Pisangchule mountain is 6,091 meters high. Its height is 6,091 meter. It is also a tall mountain. Yes, she climbed that mountain in 1989. Yes. Okay, let's read next sentence. It is in Manang district. Have you heard the name of Manang district? Yes, it is in Manang district. What is in Manang district? Yes, Pisangchule mountain is in Manang district. Yes, yes. She climbed Mount Blanc in 1990. In 1990, again, she climbed Mount Blanc. In 1989, she climbed Pisangchule mountain. Yes, and again in 1990, she climbed Mount Blanc. Okay, she started climbing the mountain to be a mountaineer. Yes, okay. Let's read next sentence. It is 4,807 meters high. How high is Mount Blanc? 4,807 4,807 meters high. Mount Blanc is 4,807 meters high. Yes. Where is it? It is in Manang district. Yes. Okay. Let's read next sentence. It is in France. Mount Blanc is in France. Okay. It is not in our country. It is in France. Yes. Okay. Let's read next sentence. It is the tallest mountain in Europe. Which is the tallest mountain in Europe? Mount Blanc. Yes, it is the tallest mountain in Europe. Okay, let's read next sentence. She first tried to climb Mount Everest in 1990 and then in 1991 regularly. She tried to climb Mount Everest first in 1990. At the time she was failed. Yes, she couldn't reach at the summit of Mount Everest. Again she tried to climb Mount Everest in 1991. It means she didn't lose her hope to climb the mountain. Yes, as she was the brave girl, she didn't lose her hope and she again tried to climb the Mount Everest in 1991. Okay, let's read next one. She couldn't succeed in her either attempt. At that time also she couldn't reach to the top of Mount Everest. Yes, the weather was not good. She was not able to reach the summit of Mount Everest because the weather was not good. The weather was bad. Yes, so she was not able to climb. Again, let's read next paragraph. Before reading, you have to read it yourself. Okay, try to read it please. Okay. Okay. Did you complete reading? Yes. Let's read it together. Okay. I'll read and you have to read along with me. Okay. She again tried in 1992. First, she tried to climb Mount Everest in 1990. She was not able to climb. Again, she tried in 1991. And again, the third time, she tried to climb here in 1992. It means she was trying to climb the Mount Everest every year, means regularly. Yes, it means she didn't lose her hope to reach at the summit of Mount Everest. Okay. She failed in her third attempt again. Do you know the meaning of attempt? Attempt means, can you tell me the meaning of attempt please? Okay, let's see the word meaning here. Okay, attempt means attempt. Try to spell the word. Okay, attempt. Attempt means trial or effort. Okay, attempt means trial or effort. She tried again to climb Mount Everest. She climbed first. She tried in 1990. Second, she tried in 1991. Again, she tried in 1992. It means she failed in her third attempt again. In 1992 also, she couldn't reach the top of Mount Everest. Yes? Okay. But she didn't lose her hope again and she was trying on and on. Yes? Okay. Let's see. Finally, she climbed Mount Everest in 1993. In 1993, she was able to climb the Mount Everest. She reached at the summit of top of the Mount Everest. Yes? In 1993, 22 April. Yes, she reached Mount Everest in 1993, 22 April. Okay, she became the first Nepalese woman to climb Mount Everest. No Nepalese woman reached there before her, so she became the first Nepalese woman to climb the Mount Everest. She climbed in 1993, 22 April. Yes, it is her great deed, it is her great job, it is her great activity because of her bravery, because of her courage. Yes, she didn't lose her hope. For the third time, she climbed Mount Everest there in her fourth attempt. Yes, in her fourth attempt. Okay. What a great deed. She climbed. Finally, she did it. She had aim to be a mountaineer, and finally her aim was fulfilled. Yes, she did the activity that she wanted to do. So she was the brave woman. Yes, isn't she brave? Yes, of course, she is brave woman. Did you understand about Pasang Lam Sherpa? Yes, if you have understood, let's go to next one. There is a activity. Okay, let's do the activity here. Okay, what is the activity? Can you see here? Look here. Write T for true and F for false statements. Read the sentences and indicate whether the sentence is true or false. Okay, let's read it. Her father was a doctor. Was Pasang's father a doctor? Was he? No. Who was he? He was a mountaineer. Yes? So, is this true or false? It is false one. Yes? Okay, let's read next sentence. She climbed Mount Everest in her fourth attempt. How many times did she try to climb Mount Everest? She tried to climb Mount Everest so many times. It means she was not able to climb Mount Everest till her third attempt. She climbed Mount Everest finally in her fourth attempt. So, it is right. Okay? Have you finished it? Okay. Let's go to next one. It is matching activity. I have given you some of the words. Okay? I have given you. So, I think you can do it very easily. Look at the words first. In the first column, the words are given. In second column, their meanings are given. You have to match the words with their meanings. Okay? Match the words with their meanings. Okay? Attempt. First of all, read all the words. Okay? Follow after me. Attempt, succeed, mountaineer, finally, failed. Okay? These are the words. And the meanings are also given here. God failure, a person who climbs the mountain, trial, achieve, at last. These are the meaning. They are not given in proper order. Okay, you have to match the words with their meaning. Let's do it. Are you doing? Okay, let's check. Okay, check your answer. Attempt means trial, effort. Yes. Okay, the next one, succeed. Succeed means achieve, got something. Yes. Okay. The next one, mountaineer, means a person who climbs mountain. Yes. Okay. Then finally, at last, then failed, got failure, not to be successful. Yes. Failed means not to be successful. Got failure. This is the matching activity. Are you done? Okay, let's go to next one. Use the following words in the blank space. First of all, read the words, okay? The words are given, same words are given there as they were given in matching activity. Yes? Brave, what is the meaning of brave? You know it very well. Mountaineer is, attempt, tallest. You can take the words and fill up here correctly in the correct sentence. Okay? Let's do. Are you doing? Okay, check your answer now. Ramesh is a, who is Ramesh? Dash boy. He can stay alone in the forest. Then, who is Ramesh? Yes, Ramesh is a brave boy, so he can stay alone in the forest. Otherwise, we cannot stay in the forest alone. Yes, we are afraid. So, he is a brave boy. Okay, next one. Her second dash, she couldn't make tea. Her second, brave, mountaineer, is attempt, tallest. Which one is correct? Okay, attempt. In her second attempt, she couldn't make tea. Okay, next one. He is the dash boy in the class. He is the tallest boy. You know that in superlative degree we should put the. Yes, so he is the tallest boy in the class. Yes. Next one, check it, okay? I want to be a dash in future. What do you want to be? Yes, I want to be a mountaineer in future. Okay? Then next one, look here. My village in Bhutan. Where is? Means is. My village is in Bhutan. Yes? Are you done? Then let's go to next activity. The question answers. I'll show you the way how to answer the questions. I'll solve some of the questions, then others you have to do for your homework, as your homework. Okay? Read this story again and answer the following question. If you want to read this story again, you can read and try to answer the questions given there. Okay? It is about the same text that we have just dealt. Yes? Okay? The first question is, when was Pasang Lama Sherpa born? When was she born? Now, I have just given you the paragraph here. It is from the passage. Okay? And look at the red words. I have colored the words which help you to answer the question. Okay? When was Pasang Lama Sherpa born? You can see here color word. कलर वर्डमा हेर्नुस् है, मैले कलर गरिदिएको वर्ड्सले तपाईलाई यो क्वेशनको आन्सर दिन हेल्प गर्छ है। यो कलर वर्डमा हेर्नुस् त, यही हुन्छ प्यासेजमा आन्सर। वी शुडन्ट गो आउट अफ द प्यासेज, यू क्यान फाइन्ड द आन्सर इजिली इन द प्यासेज। यू जस्ट ह्याभ टु मेक only some of the changes there and you can give answer easily. Yes? Okay. Look here. When was Pasang Lama Sherpa born? Pasang Lama Sherpa was born in 2017 BS. You don't have to write in Solukhumbu district because the question is when. Yes? For when question, you should give date and time. So, you don't have to write the name of place. If there was where, you should have to give the name of place. You don't have to give the name of place here. You just can write the date. So, you can say Pasang Lama Sherpa was born in 2017 BS. Okay? You can write your answer in this way. Pasang Lama Sherpa was born in 2017 BS. Did you get the idea how to answer the question? Okay, let's do next one. Next question is, what is her mother's name? What is Pasang's mother name? Pasang's mother's name? Her mother's name is, let's read, okay? Look here, look at the colored word. I have colored the words. You can just look at the colored word. It is the paragraph from the passage. You just can look at the words that are colored, that are in red color, okay, and you can give the answer, okay. Her mother's name is Angdaki Sherpa. Very easy, yes? Answer is there. Answer is already there. You just have to search and write the answer. Yes? What is answer? Look here. Her mother's name is Angdaki Sherpa. In the same way, you can give answer to all the questions. Okay? Look there. Okay. Now look at the third question. Name 2 other mountains she climbed before Mount Everest. What mountains did she climb before Mount Everest? Before Mount Everest, she climbed what mountains? Look here, I have colored the words. I have colored the name of mountains. It is very easier for you to answer. Yes? Then how do you answer? Pisang Chile mountain and Mount Blanc. Before she climbed Mount Everest. Then you can say the mountains that she climbed before Mount Everest were Pisang Chile mountain and Mount Blanc. It is very easier for you because I have already colored the names of mountains. Yes? Okay. In this way, you can find out the answer in the paragraph. It is not very difficult job to answer. Yes? You don't have to recite. You will just find the answer there. Yes? Let's go to next question. It is last question. Okay. When did she try first for Mount Everest? When did she try first for Mount Everest? After climbing Pisang Chile mountain and Mount Blanc, she tried to climb Mount Everest in when? Look here, I have colored the word sentence that helps you to answer the question. Yes, look here. She first tried to climb Mount Everest in 1990. Yes, and then in 1991. It means she first tried to climb Mount Everest in 1990. You can write only this much too. Okay? She first tried to climb Mount Everest in 1990 and then in 1991. Yes? So, in this way you can answer. Okay? These are the ways to answer question. You can just find out the answer in the paragraph. You don't have to go out of the paragraph, out of the lesson. Yes, you can easily answer. So try to answer the questions in this way. Try to find out the answer in this way. Okay. I hope you enjoyed today's class and you knew so many things about brave woman, about Mother Teresa, about Pasang Lampu Sherpa. Yes. Okay. In our next class, we'll discuss on the question answers. Okay. Again, orally, try to write the answers in your notebook. Okay. Only this much for today. Have a good time. We'll see you in next class. Bye-bye.